Hey guys, what's up? Good morning to everyone who's in Colorado or on this side of the coast, I guess. I don't really know. Alright, so since it's Wednesday, we're going to talk about the market. So I got like a new schedule going on, and we're going to be talking about different things every single day. But like Monday is going to be TQQ, I mean the market, and natural gas. On Tuesday, it's going to be natural gas only. Wednesday, the market only. Thursday, natural gas only, and then Friday we're going to do something fun. All right. So I should have done this for it. All right. So we're going to talk about the market today since it's a Wednesday, and also we're going to talk about the best swing trades that we can take and the best stocks for this month and week. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so this is you guys. You guys has I know that I wasn't really going to talk about natural gas, but it's going to get good pretty soon. I know that it's been having a rough time with all these fake reversals and everything. It's on a downward trend, but in a month or two, it is going to be up somewhere, I don't know, somewhere around here, okay? And for two reasons. Actually, I kind of forgot. Go watch my other video. I'm not joking though. It's going to be up here somewhere, alright? TQQQ is really solid. It's just a solid upward trend. So, and then since this is the market, it's the top 100 companies leveraged. I hope that makes it easier to see. You can see that it's solid upward trend. Transfers, solid downward trend. But that's when you invest in TQQ. Go watch my other video. I made a video on that yesterday about why this is the best ETF that you could ever invest in. Alright, so if we look here, every single time it goes below, you can swing trade it. It's just good. Alright, so look at the percentages on here. Here to here is 100% basically. And that's even if you waited for this starting symbol or whatever. But if you bought at like a decent time when it was consolidating, you'd be up roughly 134% and be a pretty wealthy dude or girl or somebody. All right, so that's just a really good one to pretty much constantly have, because look at, even the market went down today. Look at it went down. SPY. Even the market, it went down today, and TQQQ still went up. So it's a very good stock to invest in. It's very solid. Alright, so then I also made a watch list. Alright, so TQQ, SQQ, CRM, Salesforce, very strong, very strong. Here, I'm going to clear my chart so you guys can see it better. Alright, so you can see that here was a solid, it did a double bottom, just perfect, and then it had a solid upward trend at about 23%, and that's very good. Alright, Shopify is next. I mean, it's not that good, but if it starts to make new highs again, like, let's just say it comes up here, 788, I would set your alerts for there, because there's a high chance of it doing it again, because it's low in the stock RSI, and but it might possibly just continue to go down, because of two reasons. People are working more, which means, and they're going out more, which means that grocery stores and everything are now taking the load of stuff that grocery stores and shops are taking the load that other stuff would, like Amazon would do. And that's Amazon hit a new high today. Definitely Amazon is a very, very good long-term stock. They're gonna conquer literally every single sector, and they're pretty much going to the only thing that's gonna make them stop is if when they get like disbanded, like those old oil and railroad companies where they would take over the market and then the government would have to split them up. So then they did that. SPXS is a very good one. You can see it's very, very responsive to the market, hitting a bottom RSI. So yeah, keep that one in there. Let's look at some more. TSM has just had such a freaking good run. Definitely keep your eyes out for this one. In 9 days, it's done 12%. Pretty dang good. Zillow has hit the top of its RSI and it's breaking down, but it doesn't really respond to it that well. It doesn't change directions like an ETF, so it really does not matter. So definitely one to keep a lookout for, especially if this bounces off the 15 EMA. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. I had tennis this morning and stuff. Alright, so Tandem is going down. Never mind. Adobe is one really, really solid uptrender. You can see before it even started in the market, it was doing 24% in literally no time. So that's a really good one. Sorry, I'm being so slow right now. I got rejected. That's trading sideways. Wait, SPXS might be a really, really good buy right now, and you could probably hold it for a long time. It just hit the bottom of the RSI. SPXL, I think it got rejected by the middle 180-day line. So if it continues on a downward trend, if it gaps down tomorrow, consider buying some. Yep, and then if it starts to make new highs, I'm sorry, I'm so tired. And then if it makes new highs again, buy an SPXL, because it's just a really, really good stuff. It's just really, really good. It has the same amount of risk as a long-term stock. I mean, as a long-term, like the S&P 500, with oh my gosh, Lululemon might be a really good one to invest in. They got a cult following. They're just really, really insane. I'm sorry, I'm jumping around. So XPXL might be open. It has basically the same amount of risk since it's tracking the S&P 500. It has the same amount of risk as the S&P 500 index fund, but it has 3 times leverage, which means you can make 3 times the amount of money on XPXL than the S&P 500 index or a SPY. So if you look at here, it's just solid growth. Like, look at over 71 days, 29%. Boom. Good growth. Nvidia. This is one that's a really good long term, because it's overall just a really, really good, nice stock, because they're designing all the stuff for self-driving cars, but like a lot of companies don't want to have the responsibility of designing their own self-driving software, so Nvidia is making a thing where you can just put it on any car and it's self-driving. I mean, that's new. So they make deals with like BMW and everyone to use their self-driving tech. So that's also a good one. For the next month, probably really good. Chegg has a solid upward trend, but it's making new lows right now. Apple making strong pushes. Let's see. Alright, so top stocks for this month and ETFs. Adobe, CRM, Lululemon, Nvidia, XPXL, SPXS, SQQQ, and TQQQ. It's just they're really quite good right now, and everything. So I'm usually cover 2 to 3 different things in one of my videos, and so this is how do you know if a stock is good to buy and how good of a stock is it to trade. So that's what we're going to be covering now. So I made my watch list of stocks and ETFs that are the easiest to trade at all times. So DSLV, DGAS, they are all just super perfect, but I'm going to tell you why. Alright, so you can see that every single time that it goes above this, wait, I'm going to actually put on 4-hour chart. Alright, so now you can see, look at, this is the 15 EMA, it's the green. Every single time it goes above it, it's solid above the 15 EMA. It's solid, it doesn't break it. And then once it does, alright, then you sell. Boom. Alright, breaks the 15 EMA. You can invest in SQQ there. Invest in TQQ. You can see that it's solid upward trend, doesn't break it until the last minute. Breaks it one more time. Breaks it again. Does this crappy thing for a little bit. Thought that was consolidation. But look, it finally resolved its problems and it started to push up again another 5%. And then it did it again, and it's still holding above it right now, and it's up 13% since its last push. So what I look for is consistency to trade. So look, if I look at Tesla, it's not even about, like, I'm just gonna say Tesla is just really crappy to trade. It's really volatile and it almost always goes on news. Alright, so let's just say Lululemon. Look, it does the same thing. Look, it goes up 6%, goes under it, and then crosses above it again, goes up another 7%, goes down, goes up, it stays above the line up until right there, 34% push. Goes under the line, boom, 27% push, and that's if you were trading like an absolute monkey. Now, if you detected this stock RSI, and it shows a breakout indicator, you could have made 41% on that single push instead of just 32%. Alright, so that's what I look for in a stock. If it's tradable, does it follow your indicators? Does it follow your plans? Does it check all the boxes? Like, does it work? Like, look at this. The Andersons. Look at this. Freaking insane. It's swooping. I know it's a downtrend, but look it. Goes above, stays above for 9%. Keeps going below. Goes above. Keeps going above. Let's just say it ends right there at 21%. It's not even done yet. Look it. Goes above. Goes below right there, 2%. Goes above right there, comes down right there, 5%. So that's what I look for in a stock. Oh, and look at this swoop. goes down, cup and handle, finally pushes above it, does a starting candle, breaks right there, 23%. Just like that. Look at all these stocks. I'm going to make a video on this about my watch list. Yeti. Look at it. It's just really, really solid, you know. And then, see, look at it. Comes down here, breaks the 15 EMA, doesn't go below up until way up here, 14%. Breaks the EMA, comes up here, breaks it right there, 5%. Goes below, don't trade. You might be faked out by that one, but you could still probably sell and get a 0.76% gain on that. Goes below. Oh, final starting candle. Boom, right there. Closes right there, 6%. Goes above right there. You get the point, alright? So what I'm talking about is what is the availability for me to trade it? Mine is, it has to have volume. It has to have over 500,000 volume, so I can get in and out quickly. It has to be smooth on the 15 EMA. It has to have smooth price changes, like TQQ, SQQ. Like, look at how smooth this price change is. Look at. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Like, so smooth. It stays above, goes under. Stays above, goes under. Alright? So that's what I mean. It's super smooth. Like, you can see it does it here. If I especially put it on the 1 day chart, look how smooth that is. Like, from right here, stays above, all the way up until there, 23%. Goes above right here, boom, 28%. So, it's just stocks, alright? So, I won't get too upset if, like, your favorite stock isn't doing what you're doing, like Tesla. But it's just it's doing its own thing, alright? Alright, Eric. So you can see that all of these stocks are just super easy to trade. Well, that's what you gotta look for. Like, this is my RSI scan down here. I put a scan. And if I look right here, look at bad, choppy, too much volatility, not enough volatility, too much volatility. Let's just say that, okay, let's just turn the price up to max. Choppy, don't do that. Choppy, really bad. So all these are really bad stocks. Alright, so you gotta really look for the smooth ones, okay? The ones with the most information, a lot of volume, and good news, well, okay news, and just smooth trade, and just like smooth chart data, alright? It doesn't all of a sudden just jump like 30% or 30% down, and that's what you don't want to look for. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you later. See you next time. Thanks for watching again. Go watch some of my other videos. I just released a video on TQQ and SQQ. They're my favorite stocks. They're literally old UGAs and DGAs, like right before they became really popular. They're freaking insane. I don't know why anyone doesn't trade them, like Ricky. I mean, my higher returns are just on that. There's just a lot higher returns for me because it's less risky and it's a lot less volatile, you know. So but with the same amount of leverage, which is really nice. All right. So if we do that, it's just super easy. All right. So thanks for watching. Hope you found quality out of this video. Like and subscribe, my guys. See you later.